Is that why you were making those faces? You're so precious. Yes, you are. Oh. What faces are you making? What faces are you making? Oh, are you gonna give Mommy a big smile like you did just a second ago? Ooh. Oh, that's a mean look. Ooh. McKenna, that's not very ladylike. Oh. Say, I don't care. My tummy feels better. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You gonna make smiley face? Oh.